Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Supra versus Mitsubishi Evo. We'll dive into what makes each of these iconic vehicles stand out, from their performance capabilities to their unique driving experiences. Get ready to explore the distinct philosophies behind these two automotive legends and discover which one might be the perfect fit for your driving style. Let's get started on this exciting comparison. When it comes to performance, the Supra and Evo take different approaches. The Supra, with its powerful inline-six engine, is a master of high-speed cruising and impressive acceleration, achieving 0 to 60 mph in as little as 3.9 seconds. On the other hand, the Evo's turbocharged four-cylinder, combined with its sophisticated all-wheel drive system, offers incredible grip and precision, making it a formidable force on winding roads and rally stages. Both offer thrilling drives, but in distinct ways. The driving experience in these two cars is quite different. The Supra provides a more refined and comfortable ride, perfect for long journeys or enjoying a powerful rear-wheel drive feel. The Evo, however, is all about raw, unadulterated performance. Its rally-inspired suspension and advanced all-wheel drive deliver an incredibly engaging and precise handling experience, making every turn an exhilarating event. It's a choice between refined power and aggressive agility. Both the Supra and the Evo have left an indelible mark on automotive history, each with a passionate following. The Supra is a symbol of Japanese sports car excellence, known for its tuning potential and timeless appeal. The Evo, with its rally championship pedigree, represents the pinnacle of all-wheel drive performance and driver engagement. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.